Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn something very interesting like this. So do you think it's interesting? Okay, let's begin how to make it. So let's start with a new slide. Then let us insert a picture. So I have downloaded this picture from pexels.com. Let's insert this picture. Let's align it so that it cover the entire slide area. Perfect. Now let's insert a text box and type hello. Now let me choose some other font. So I'm selecting Heavitas and I'll change its size to, let's say, 60. Okay. Oops. Okay, so let's place it here and let me change its color as yellow so it will be more visible on this background. Okay, so let us add some animation to it. So let's go to the animations tab, select text and then add the appear animation. Okay, and let me open the animation pane so I can see one animation is already here. Let me add one more animation for its movement. Let's add the line animation and select the direction from left to right. Okay, good. And then let me adjust the length of this animation till here so that this word will come to this side and till this far. Perfect. Okay, so now we have one animation is ready. Let's see how it is playing. So okay, now it is playing as the entire word is coming from left to right. Okay, but we need this should come letter by letter. So let's go to the effect option and let's choose a by letter under this animate text option. Okay, and let's add some delay. So let's say 12% delay is fine. I don't want the smooth and I want some kind of bounce effect. So let us add 0.8 seconds and press OK. Yeah, perfect. So our first animation is ready. Only thing is like I want this animation to start with previous. So once with some delay also I have added some delay here, let's say 0.75 seconds. So if I play this, once I click on mouse it will come and then after 0.75 seconds it will play. Good. So our first animation is ready. Let's copy this and create one more copy. Okay, and let's place it here. Let's change the text as world, and you can see this word is already having some animation from the previous one. So this appear animation is there and this line animation is there, but the direction of this animation, if I play, it will go towards left side. Okay, which I don't want, right? So I want this animation direction to be from right to left. Okay, perfect. Okay, so let's increase its length so that it should come at this side of the road or the bridge. Okay, perfect. Now if I play this, it will play as a single word, right? What I want, it should start with D and end with W. So what we have to do, we have to make it like we have to create some 6 text boxes with one word in each text box. Okay, so what we will do, we will simply create a copy of these letters from this word itself. So I'll create 6 copies of it because it has some 5 words and I need one more text box for my reference. I'll tell you the purpose later. So let us create some 6 copies. So let us press Ctrl D. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, perfect. Let us select all of them, go to shape format and then align them to center and middle, and then you can adjust its position. Okay, perfect. Okay, let's close this animation pane for time being. Open the selection pane. As you can see, we have some text boxes here. So you can see this text box is this hello. This text box is this. So let's select only this and hide the other one. Okay, now delete all other words except W, because we need only W in the first text box. Okay, and then let's unhide text box 5. From text box 5 we need only O. So in the next text box we need only O. Now we need to align it with the previous O, right? So let's unhide this text box 6 and then align this O with the previous O. Okay, perfect. Let's hide this text box 5. Now in text box 6 we only need R. So we'll delete the letters before and after R. Now we need to align it with the previous R, so we'll unhide this text box 7 and we'll align this R to the previous R. Okay, perfect. Let's hide this text box 6. From text box 7 we need only L, right? So we'll delete all other letters, and then we will unhide text box 8 and we'll align it to the previous L. Perfect. So let's hide this text box 7. From text box 8 we need only D. So we'll remove all other letters and we'll unhide text box 9 and align this D with this previous D. Perfect. Okay, now we have all these letters with us. We don't need this. I think we have created 2 more boxes there, so let's delete those additional letters. We don't need them. Okay, and then let's unhide one by one. So W, O, R, L and D. Perfect. Let's close this selection pane and let's go to our animation pane, and let's open the animation pane. Okay, now we want this appear effect uh, together, so let's move this appear animation after that second animation, and then select all these text boxes and select, and you click on this start with previous, so it will start with this text box now. Okay, in this below animation we have to change the direction. We want D should come first, so let's make D, then L, then R, then O and W. Okay, so now the D will come first. Let's see how it is playing. You can see it is coming like this. Okay, no problem. So let's adjust some duration and some delays to make it perfect. So after this D, we want some delay. First the D should come, and then let's add some delay. Let's say after 25 seconds, after 25 50 seconds, after 75 seconds, and this is after 1 second. Now let's see how it is playing. Okay, perfect. Okay, and let's select all of them. Let's go to effect options and let's add some bounce, and that is 0.8 seconds. And okay, and after animation we want this color to be turned into this color. Okay, so let's see how it is playing. Perfect. Okay, let's see how the entire thing is playing. Okay, so let's select this also with the previous, and let's see how it is playing now. Okay, so as you can see, like when we play this W is not coming at the right time. Let's see, in this appear animation you can see there is some delay, so let's remove the delay and let us see how it is playing now. Okay, now in this actually there is some more delay, so let's reduce this delay, or let me add some delay here, zero point 0.5 and zero point 0.5. Okay, now this delay should be more than that, so 0.751, 1.25. So in for everything I am adding 0.25 second delay. Okay, let us see how it is playing now. Okay, playing perfectly fine, right? Only thing in this particular thing, I think we have not selected that color change animation. So after animation we wanted to change its color, so we have added that also. Now let's see how it is playing. Okay, perfect. Now we are almost done. Just one last step. We want this text to go below this bridge and then appear on the opposite directions or opposite sides. So what we have to do, we have to just simply copy this image and then paste it again, and the background image, and then let's align it, and then we will crop this. So we'll only keep the bridge part on this cropped image, and the remaining will be there from the bottom, or the image which is already there. Okay, so we will only keep this and the other things are fine. Okay, and then now you can see there are two things. Okay, so we have only cropped this road part and we have placed over the entire thing. Okay, if we play now, you'll feel like this text is going below that bridge and coming on the other side. Okay, so I hope you liked my video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel.